Want the perfect protein shake every time? Stick around, because we're counting down the 7 best blenders that will level up your shake game. If you're serious about your fitness and nutrition, you know that the right blender can make or break your protein shake experience. Today, we're diving into the best blenders designed specifically for protein shakes. From budget-friendly personal blenders to professional-grade machines, you'll get honest, detailed reviews based on real testing, including what each blender does best and where they fall short. By the end, you'll know exactly which blender suits your needs and budget. So let's get blending. 7. NutriBullet Blender. First up, the NutriBullet Blender. It's small, sleek, and extremely popular, especially among beginners and those who want a no-fuss blender for quick shakes. The compact footprint is a standout feature. It fits neatly in any kitchen without taking up much space. It also comes with multiple cups and blade attachments, which is handy when you want to blend, chop, or even mix small batches. The NutriBullet's motor isn't the most powerful though. While it can handle soft fruits, milk, and protein powders easily, tougher ingredients like frozen fruits or nuts tend to require more effort and sometimes multiple blends. This means it's a bit limited if you want a perfectly smooth, thick shake with less prep. Durability also raises slight concerns. Several users have reported the base overheating during prolonged use, which makes it less ideal if you want multiple shakes a day. On the bright side, it's incredibly user-friendly. Press and twist, and you've got a shake ready within 30 seconds, perfect for busy mornings. Cleaning is a breeze since most parts are dishwasher safe. However, if you're blending frequently or want to make other recipes besides shakes, the NutriBullet might feel underpowered. Overall, it's an affordable starting point, but not quite up to the demands of a heavy blender user. For casual shake drinkers, it works fine, but pros might want to look higher up the list. 6. NutriFit Compact Personal Blender. Next, the NutriFit Compact Personal Blender steps in with a bump in power and performance. Sporting a 700-watt motor, it can handle tougher ingredients better than the NutriBullet. I tested it with frozen berries and peanut butter and was impressed by the consistency, thick and smooth with minimal chunks. The pulse and blend functions add versatility for different textures. One frustration was the noise level. The NutriFit runs quite loud, which could be a drawback if you blend early mornings or in quiet environments. Also, the jar size is pretty modest, suitable for singles, but limiting if you need more volume or batch prep. The plastic jar feels sturdy, but not as premium as some other blenders in this lineup. Another slight inconvenience is the lid design, which can be a bit tricky to seal perfectly, leading occasionally to drips while pouring. Still, the blender is straightforward to disassemble and clean, a big plus when protein shakes turn into daily rituals. While it's a serious contender for personal use, those looking for a blend-and-go machine that's ultra-quiet or capable of larger capacity might find it fall short. That said, it's a solid step up from budget models and great for anyone who needs reliable power in a compact design. 5. NutriBullet. Moving up a notch, the NutriBullet really shines as a personal blender designed for daily shake warriors. Its 1100 peak watt motor delivers impressive power, turning frozen ingredients and ice into creamy shakes effortlessly. The Auto IQ technology is a highlight. Pre-programmed blending cycles optimize time and texture without guesswork. During testing, the NutriBullet managed to pulverize everything from spinach to flax seeds without leaving gritty residues. The 24-ounce cup size is ideal for single servings and fits most cup holders, perfect for on-the-go lifestyles. I appreciated the ergonomic design of the cup and blade assembly, which made switching from blending to drinking more convenient. One point to note is that the blades are quite sharp and require careful handling during cleaning. Also, while the power is strong, the noise can be a bit overwhelming for sensitive ears, a common trade-off in this power category. The BPA-free plastic jar feels durable but lacks the premium feel of stainless steel or glass alternatives. Overall, the NutriBullet is fantastic for those wanting reliable, powerful personal blending. It balances price, performance, and convenience well. Ideal if you crave that smooth, lump-free protein shake every time. 4. Cuisinart RPB-100. The Cuisinart RPB-100 blends cordless freedom with respectable power, making it a unique option for those who value portability and style. This rechargeable blender is perfect if you want to take your shake making beyond the kitchen, backyard barbecues, gym sessions, or even travel. Performance-wise, the Cuisinart offers efficient crushing and blending for fruits, veggies, and powders. The 12-ounce jar isn't huge, but perfect for moderate shakes or supplementary protein snacks. What impressed me most was the surprisingly long battery life, around 10 to 12 blends on a full charge, which is decent for a cordless model. A downside is that the blending power, while good, isn't quite on par with plugged-in competitors in this list. The blades are a bit less aggressive, which means denser ingredients sometimes need extra blending time. There's also a slight learning curve with the push-button controls compared to simple twist mechanisms found on other blenders. The design, however, is sleek and modern with easy one-touch controls, and cleanup takes just a few seconds with dishwasher-safe parts. Portability aside, this blender fits best with casual users who prioritize convenience and style over raw power. 3. NutriBullet Pro 900. Now we're entering the high-performance zone with the NutriBullet Pro 900. This blender really excels at protein shake prep thanks to its robust 900-watt motor and trademark extractor blades. The design lets you blend ingredients into nutrient-packed shakes with impressive smoothness, even fibrous vegetables and seeds. In testing, the NutriBullet Pro 900 consistently produced thick, creamy shakes with zero effort. It handles ice and frozen fruit seamlessly. The cups come with sip-and-go lids, making them ideal for prepping shakes ahead of time or on the move. A definite win for busy fitness buffs. Another great benefit is the short overall blending time. The powerful motor cuts down blending duration considerably without sacrificing texture quality. Cleaning is nearly effortless, as most components are dishwasher safe. The only minor drawback is the somewhat loud motor running at full speed, but that's expected for this level of power. Plus, the cup size at 24 ounces is perfect for individual servings but not for batch blending. If your routine involves single large shakes or smoothie bowls, this will do the job without breaking a sweat. 2. NutriBullet ZNBF30500Z. Coming close to the top is the NutriBullet ZNBF30500Z, a blender combo that impresses on nearly all accounts. This model combines a powerful 1200-watt motor with an extensive array of cup sizes and accessories, giving you ultimate flexibility for shakes, smoothies, and more. The blending power is outstanding. It handles everything from frozen fruits and nuts to thick powders with little trouble, delivering ultra-smooth textures that even picky palates will appreciate. What's more, this model comes with multiple blade options, including specialized ones for blending and milling, further expanding your blending options. In practical use, the blender feels solid and durable. The cups are dishwasher safe and designed to resist staining or odors, a common gripe with other personal blenders. The noise level is moderate given the power, and variable speed controls provide added precision. While the price is higher, the value here is excellent for anyone serious about protein shakes and looking for a versatile, long-lasting blender option. It strikes the perfect balance between personal convenience and professional-grade performance. 1. Vitamix 5200 Blender. And finally, the undisputed king of protein shakes, the Vitamix 5200, known for its incredible power and commercial-grade construction. This blender is truly a powerhouse in any kitchen. The Vitamix 5200's robust motor and stainless steel blades churn through everything, frozen fruits, nuts, seeds, and even tough greens, to create silky smooth shakes without exceptions. During testing, this blender showed superior temperature control too. Blending for just a couple of minutes produced warm shakes thanks to the friction heat, which is a unique feature if you enjoy soups or hot beverages as well. The large container sizes, 64-ounce standard, mean this blender isn't just for personal shakes, but meal prep for families or groups. The variable speed dial gives absolute control over texture, allowing you to customize your shakes from chunky to ultra-smooth with ease. Cleanup is surprisingly simple, given the powerful motor and large container, as you can blend soapy water and rinse in seconds. Yes, the Vitamix 5200 is a significant investment, both in price and kitchen space. But for those who treat blending as an essential part of their health regimen, it delivers unmatched performance, durability, and versatility. Summary: if you're just starting or on a budget, the NutriBullet and Ninja Fit provide basic blending for everyday shakes, but with some limitations. Stepping up, Ninja BN301 and Cuisinart RPB-100 offer better power and features for active users who want convenience without too much compromise. NutriBullet Pro 900 and ZNBF30500Z sit comfortably in the mid to high power range with excellent reliability and smoothness. Ultimately, the Vitamix 5200 reigns supreme for blender enthusiasts seeking top-tier performance to blend perfect protein shakes every single time. Pick the one that matches your lifestyle and say goodbye to lumpy shakes forever.